our LASIK Plus Towson location, we just purchased the FS 200 laser.
We're almost there, putting the final touches on our install, and went over to have a conversation with Rodney regarding the qualification of the EX, and pop, unexpected power surge, and the EX went dark.
And the laser wouldn't power on. The very next day, we have 17 patients to treat.
Then you have patients that have probably taken months, if not years, to decide whether or not to have this surgical procedure. Now that's all on the line.
I knew that Stuart and Rodney could and would do it, that they were not going to give up until the problem was solved.
We knew it was going to be a long night and an early morning, and we just cut our teeth and said, hey, we got to get this up now.
Yeah, we have to get this done.
Stuart and Rodney, they worked on the system pretty much all night until the next day. He turned into Superman, honestly. Cape just appeared behind him, and when it was flapping in the wind, and his glasses were cocked to the side, and he comes out and he's excited, and he's like, we fixed it, we fixed it.
And when we turned the system and heard that sound, it felt amazing.
They trust you. When you tell them, I'm going to have it up and running, they believe you, and they put all their faith and trust in you to know that it's going to happen and it's going to be done.
I know that Alcon cares, and I know that they are going to go above and beyond, and that they are going to make sure that our patients are well taken care of.
My name is Rodney Peterson, and I'm here for LASIK Plus.
My name is Stuart Manning, and I'm here for LASIK Plus.
My name is Jada Wilson. I am the facilities manager for the LASIK Plus Towson, Maryland location.